Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Yashantas Karanskar. Today I am going to present a presentation on a brainstorming effect as a problem solving technique. With thanks to our guide Professor Komal Sawan ma'am and Professor S.L. Kulkarni for guiding us. So let's start with the introduction. In manufacturing, quality control is a process that ensures the consumer receive product free from defects and meet up their needs when done the wrong way. It can put consumer at a risk. It helps quality manager identify and solve problems before product have leave the faculty. Quality is an important factor when it is come to any product or service. Quality control is essential to build a successful business that deliver product that meet or exceed consumers' expectations. It also forms the basic of an effective business that minimizes the waste and operates at a high levels of productivity. Concept: Quality control (QC) is a process through which a business seeks to ensure that product quality is maintained or improved. Quality control involves testing of a unit and determining if they are within the specification for a final product. Need of quality control. Quality control involves testing of unit and determining if they are within the specification for the final product. The purpose of the testing is to determine any needs of corrective actions in the manufacturing process. Goods quality control help campaigns meet consumer demands for a better productivity. Principles: The 8 universal principles of quality control. Principle 1: Customer focus. Principle 2: Leadership quality. Principle 3: People involvement. Principle 4: Process approach. Principle 5: Systematic approach to management. Principle 6: Improvement. Principle 7: Factual approach to decision making. Principle 8: Mutual beneficial suppliers relations. What is brainstorming and how it works? Brainstorming is a very common group method for finding new ideas, which is based on spontaneous and unfiltered creativity. As a discipline, brainstorming encompasses various different forms, stages, aspects, and dynamics. As soon as you learn more about brainstorming technique and their respective advantages and disadvantages, your next brainstorming session will begin to have a bigger and better effect. What makes the concept of brainstorming so appeal is that it does not entail any complicated rules. However, not all brainstorming sessions automatically ended with all members collaborating successfully. Case study. First, a team of engineering uses a brainstorming session to generate ideas on reducing the oil supplies in the Gulf of Mexico. Second, a college management team meets to brainstorm on a new marketing technique to increase the student enrollment. Third, a family gets together over coffee to generate ideas for a New Year's celebrations. Conclusion: When it's come to our focus, we understand that quality control is a product-oriented process. When it's come to quality assurance, it is a process-oriented practice. Brainstorming is a popular method of group interaction in both educational and business settings. Although does not prove a measurable advantages in creative output conventionally, brainstorming is an enjoyable exercise that typically well received by participants. Thank you.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.